The question number 16, the free end of a simple pendulum is attached to the ceiling of an elevator. The elevator is at rest at some height. Initially, a pendulum is oscillating. When the bob is at the mean position, the elevator is released to free fall. As seen from the elevator during this period, the bob, and look in this case, as it was oscillating, now when the elevator is under free fall situation, and this was at the mean position, but it has velocity. So due to inertia, it will continue moving, but there is no other force acting on this one because it becomes weightless. So it will complete the vertical loop around this one. So the option 4 is the correct answer. So it will move into a vertical circular path. Question number 17 says that the earring of a lady has 5 centimeter length, and this is like this one, suspended by the wire of length of 5 centimeter. This wire is very light. The lady is sitting in a merry-go-round, moving at 4 meter per second square. Moving at 4 meter per second in a circular path of radius 2 meter. The time period of the small oscillation. Now, dear student, normal time period would be equal to 2 pi root of L by G. But in this case, it is moving on a circular track. So there will be an additional acceleration, and the net acceleration become equal to G square plus A square, that is equal to G square plus V square divided by L whole square root. This is equal to 10 square plus the velocity is given 4 square divided by the length of the circular path, that is 2 meter, and whole square and root, and this value comes to be 12.8 meter per second square. Now therefore the time period will become equal to 2 pi. The length is given 5 centimeter, 5 into 10 is power minus 2, and divided by G effective become 12.8 root, and this answer comes to be 0.39 second. Therefore look at the option. The first option is 0.39 second. So therefore answer to this question is 1. In the damped harmonic oscillator, the energy of pendulum decays to 50% of its initial value in 30 seconds, and the time constant of the decay will be. Now dear students, the equation for energy, this is equal to 1 by 2 K A square e power minus T divided by tau, and this was basically Vym. At T is equal to 0, when you take T is equal to 0, then energy is equal to 1 by 2 K A square, and e power 0, which is equal to 1, so 1 by 2 Ka square. At a time t is equal to 30 seconds, what is given that this energy is equal to half of this value, that is equal to 1 by 4 Ka square is equal to 1 by 2 Ka square e power minus 30. So at t is equal to 30, energy is 1 by 4 Ka square because half of this one, and by formula should be equal to this divided by tau. And if you solve this equation, then 1 by 2 comes to be e power minus 30 by tau, and the tau you have to calculate. So therefore 2 is equal to e power 30 divided by tau, and you take the log on both sides. So log of 2 is equal to 30 by tau, and the tau is equal to 30 divided by the natural log of 2. I look at the option to this one. The second option is given. So answer to this question is option number 2. The question number 19 says a uniform meter stick is suspended through a small pinhole at 20 centimeter mark from the top end. The time period of the small oscillation where the point of suspension is nearly. Now meter stick has the length of 1 meter and it is suspended from this point, which is 20 centimeter from top, and the center of mass will be 30 centimeter from here. And you remember the time period is equal to 2 pi I divided by mgd. I is the moment of inertia about the point of suspension, and d is this distance. And look, the d is equal to 30 centimeter. So 0.3 meter will use. And what was the moment of inertia about this point? So moment of inertia will be equal to ml square by 12 plus m into d square. Right? We'll fill up the value of d 0.3 and L is 1 meter and fill in this equation. Then t value will come equal to 0.48 by second. So therefore the correct answer is option number 1. Question number 20 says, a student Geeta says that she had applied a force F is equal to minus kx power 1 by 3 on a particle, and the particle moved in a simple harmonic motion. She refuses to tell whether k is a constant or not, assuming that she has worked only with positive x and no other forces acting on the particle. Select the correct option. These are 4 options that how k is dependent on x. Now see, if it is simple harmonic motion, then f should be equal to minus k naught into x. What's given that f is equal to minus k x power 1 by 3. So if you compare in this case, then your k naught into x should be equal to k into x power 1 by 3. Therefore, the k is equal to k naught x power 2 by 3. Now k is k naught x power 2 by 3. So k is dependent on x, and by the relation that k is proportional to x power 2 by 3, and x given x is positive. So if x is positive, when you increase the value of x, the k will also increase. So the correct option is as x increases, the k also increases. So answer to this question is the first one.